Are you tired of a slow store? Or do you want something that stands out? Ever wondered how to make your online store really work for you? Let's talk about Magento development in Boulder and how it can transform your business. Boulder is home to top Magento developers who build flexible, scalable e-commerce stores that convert. These specialized agencies handle everything from custom themes and integrations to migrations and ongoing support. Local developers also focus on better buyer experiences with faster loading, cleaner designs, and optimized checkouts for higher conversions. They don't just build stores, they maintain them, ensuring smooth operations post-launch. Boulder's tech scene understands what works, offering real-time feedback and local insights. Boulder developers also excel at maintenance, keeping your store secure and running smoothly. Their local expertise means better communication, faster feedback, and a deeper understanding of your market. Whether you're upgrading to Magento 2 or building from scratch, their portfolios and years of experience prove their reliability. If you're serious about growth, certified Boulder developers are worth considering. Let's break this down and check out which agencies are worth your time. Insight Designs Web Solutions, founded in 1999, is a master of Magento setup, custom themes, and keeping your store running smoothly. Since 2002, Customer Paradigm has excelled at Magento installations, upgrades, and technical issues resolution. They also develop version upgrades, troubleshoot, and even security fixes. Cadence Labs is 100% US-based and excels at building new sites, moving stores to Magento, and making sure everything works with your other business tools. If you want to make your store unforgettable, start by choosing a developer who can make it happen. Whether it's Insight Designs, Customer Paradigm, or Cadence Labs, the key is finding someone who gets your business. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more tips on e-commerce and web development.